Be proud of your name, your story, and the people who carried you here.
Yo soy hondureña.
Yo soy dominicana.
I'm Ecuadorian.
Yo soy dominicano.
Yo soy del Salvador y Guatemala.
We'll be your hosts this morning as we celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month.
So I was very excited to be able to host this assembly with Sandy and Brianna. I'm so happy it took place just because it's a great way to take out the Hispanic heritage culture in Nyack Public Schools.
There's so many myths and so many lies that are told about our community that a lot of people just start making assumptions of us. So I think something as simple as an assembly can help a lot of students redirect their attention to what is true and what is not.
We really essentially only have a month and a half to get the whole show together. And I really heard the students out. I said, what do you want to do for this assembly? And a lot of them talked about having a piece of education, not only celebration, but an educational piece to the assembly. We really took their vision and brought it together.
I thought the assembly was a great assembly because we got to celebrate Hispanic culture and we got to see people of all different backgrounds celebrated together in a diverse way.
I thought today was amazing. It was such a great opportunity to share so many different cultures from Latin America and that shape such a big part of Nyack High School community.
I think our school pride is very, very big and strong. I feel like Miss Aiva and Dr. LRG and all the students, they hype you up when you're dancing, when you're talking. It's just a great community. When you want to do something, you don't feel embarrassed. You just feel like more excitement to do it.
When you walk into a room, bring your full self, speak your truth, roll your R, wear your hoops, rock your curls, blast your salsa and your reggaeton, celebrate your family story, let people hear your accent and pride in every word, and never forget, you don't have to leave any part of yourself to belong.
Yo pertenezco a Nyack.